dirt jump bikes. They're simple, they're easy. It's kind of a combination of my BMX background and the mountain bike that I currently ride. And this is actually my first dirt jump bike. I'm gonna make a few modifications on it today. I'm gonna tell you why I picked this one up and what we're gonna do to it. All right, so this is my first official dirt jump bike. I've ridden a lot of BMX over the years. That's actually what I grew up doing, even was part of my career for quite a period of time.
We're in Hollywood Skate Park here in Las Vegas, Nevada.
And had a lot of fun doing it. But as you get older, you feel a little cramped on the bike, and I wanted something a little bit smoother. I went straight into mountain bikes after that. Mountain bikes have changed a lot over the years, and while it wasn't something that I did a lot back in the day, I've now got a Transition Sentinel 29er, super fun bike, pretty playful actually, and did a lot of dirt jumping with it on one of the last trips to Colorado. When I got back, of course, I needed to get a dirt jump bike, and I've been looking at them for a while. I actually really like the Transition PBJ, and that's something I thought about getting. This one, however, I found nearly brand new, and if you dig around a little bit on Marketplace, you may find them for about 800 bucks. So, reasonable price, reasonable bike, and super fun to ride. So when I got the bike, it was practically brand new. Dude said he only rode it about 3 times, which I believe, because the thing is immaculate. And I took it out the first day, and I hadn't really spent much time on it. We took it up to the skate park and, well, dirt jump park, Washington Wheels Park. It's an amazing park. And sprinkle a few clips in here so you can kind of check it out. Super fun lines. I was a little overzealous, overshot the whale tail there. Chest planted into the face of the wooden lip and thought I broke my ribs. So this is a Specialized P3. I don't think it comes in any size in particular. This is a 2025 if I'm not mistaken. And just a cool setup. They're all pretty basic, they're all pretty simple, but I had already decided there were some things I wanted to change on this just in terms of configuration. This is the factory bar setup, so I put those back on there. And then he gave me a set of Bonnell bars. I think he is sponsored by Bonnell, the dude that I bought it from. So the Bonnell bar is quite a bit different. Picked up a set of Deity. I think they're high side bars. I think they're 50 millimeter rise. I think the factory ones on this are 38 millimeter. So just do something a little bit different, a little bit higher rise. I think it's just gonna set it up a little bit more, kind of like my BMX bike is. Swap out the tires, give myself something a little bit wider to ride on. And we're gonna cut down the bars quite a bit too, because they're a little bit wider than I like to ride them. So let's get after it. We have no lights in the shop. They're completely toast. I have to put all new stuff in, so I'm using a spotlight. So we went with the Maxxis DTH 26 and a 2.3 width. This one's got exo protection. Maybe could have saved me some weight and not gone with it, but it's like, I don't know, 60 grams or something like that. So let's not get too technical. We're not in precision dirt jump realm. We're hoping that 40-plus-year-old dad can just ride this thing and not break his ribs again. That would be ideal for the most part. Still got a bunch of dirt in there from its maiden voyage and me eating shit on it, so. trick. If you're new to setting stuff up, what I always try to do, or at least the way I like them, and everyone's different, so you might do something different too, but I like my bars to be pretty straight up and down. And when I say straight up and down, obviously there's a back sweep, there's an up sweep slightly. For the most part, you can tell this upright from the stem, and I always try to match that with the forks. So you have a pretty good straight line between the bars and the forks. And then one other little trick, make sure your top bolt and your bottom bolt are tightened equally. That way there's similar space in the top and the bottom. You don't have one like, you know, crazy clamped together, and this one's more gapped open. So try to keep the spacing pretty even. Other than that, pretty easy. I'm gonna put this thing down so I can actually see where I want this. I have a good idea of where I'm gonna cut the bars, but I'm probably gonna want them a little shorter than most. So there's a stamp here that says 787, and there's a line here that says 770. My assumption is right at this line that says 770 is the 770 mark. And if you look at the distance to the end, that is probably another 17 millimeters. So I think total, this high side bar is 787 millimeters wide, which feels huge to me. I'm probably spending too much time double checking this, but you know, measure twice, cut once. I can always take a little bit more off if I need to, but where this 750 lies is exactly where I think I want the grips to ride. And what I did was kind of put my hands in a place where I wanted them and noted the inside where I put my hands. Then I measured the grips from the inside to the outside, and the outside of the grip pretty much lands right there at the 750. So I think it's safe to say we're gonna try 750. Let's give it a shot. I got out the grinder. I thought that might be a good idea, but it's gonna take off like half the bar trying to get that down and ruin it. So this should probably do a better job. There's barely any burrs at the end of this. Is it? That is way too wide still. That is huge. They go in farther than that, don't they? No way. Just out of curiosity. Nope. Nope. Nope, that's it. Huh, interesting. Sweet. Bar's still good. Hair's still good. A little wider. Just like a little more track width. I think I'm used to it now. 23 definitely is wider. Sweet. sweet. Tires are on, bars are on, grips are on, bars are cut to size. I think all in all it came out really well. Really like the feel of it. When my ribs are a little bit more healed, we'll take this thing out to the skate park and take it through its paces. Thanks for watching.
Feels good. Feels awesome. All right.